In a shocking incident in the United States, a man circled a stolen plane over the US city of Tupelo for hours and threatened to crash into a Walmart store. The situation was, however, brought into control and the man has now been arrested by the officials. The Tupelo police stated that the man has been charged with grand larceny and making terroristic threats. The pilot, identified as 29-year-old Corey Wayne Patterson, stole a plane and hovered over Tupelo, Mississippi, with the stolen aircraft, threatening to intentionally crash the airplane. He threatened to crash it into a Walmart store in Mississippi, post which Walmart and other stores in the area were evacuated. The plane, a Beechcraft King Air 90, a 9-seater with 2 engines, was airborne for more than 5 hours, which the police described as a dangerous situation. According to a report, the pilot was an employee of Tupelo Regional Airport. Patterson allegedly stole the plane just after 5 a.m. when the air traffic control tower was unmanned. He does not have pilot's license or experience in landing planes, but has some flight instruction, said the Tupelo police chief. The situation created a lot of panic, but was fortunately brought under control. The man landed the aircraft safely and was then taken into custody. Governor Tate Reeves announced the same via Twitter and wrote, "A pilot circling a stolen aircraft for hours over Tupelo, a city in northeast Mississippi in the United States, threatening to intentionally crash it into a Walmart store, has been taken into custody after he landed the aircraft safely." The plane over North Mississippi is down. Thankfully, the situation has been resolved and that no one was injured. Thank you most of all to local, state and federal law enforcement who managed the situation with extreme professionalism, Mr. Reeves further added in the tweet. According to a report, the authorities were first alerted at 5 a.m. local time about a pilot flying over Tupelo. The plane started circling about 5 a.m. and was still in the air more than 3 hours later. The pilot had also called 911 and threatened to intentionally crash into Walmart on West Main. Just after 9:30 a.m. local time, Patterson posted on Facebook from the plane. At the conclusion of the post, he wrote goodbye, the report said. The plane was low on fuel, but with some instruction from a private pilot, Patterson was able to land the plane about 30 minutes later.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.